Jai Sai Ram. Jai Sai Ram. Jai Sai Ram. Honorable Vice President of India, C.P. Radhakrishnan Garu, Honorable Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu Garu, revered elders of Sri Satya Sai Educational Trust, esteemed Chancellor and Vice Chancellor, distinguished faculty members, respected parents, and my dear young graduates. It is a profound honor to stand before you today at the 44th annual convocation of Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning here in Prashanthi Nilayam in the sacred heart of Rayalaseema. The love and spirituality of Satya Sai Baba radiates in all souls who visit Puttaparthi. His service to mankind has reached every corner of the world, including water supplies, countless people receiving medical care, and countless people experiencing divine love and spirituality here. We are especially honored by the presence of Honorable Vice President of India, Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan Garu, a leader who embodies humility, integrity, and lifelong dedication to public service. His rise through hard work and service is a reminder that greatness is achieved through character and not through comfort. His presence today blesses this convocation with dignity, wisdom, and the spirit of true leadership. His journey from grassroots services to the Vice Presidency of India stands as a powerful inspiration to every young graduate here. Rayalaseema is a land known for its courage, simplicity, sacrifice, and spiritual radiance. And it is the very soil that gave birth to one of India's greatest son, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. A global spiritual light, Baba's divine vision and compassionate presence continue to guide not only this university, but the entire world. It is this very soil, charged with spirituality, simplicity, and sacrifice, that Baba envisioned a university unlike any other. A modern Gurukula that would produce graduates of character, not just qualification, leaders with compassion, not just ambition, professionals with purpose, not just skills. These are the qualities we need in India's next generation leadership. From this region, Baba created an educational model that the world now admires, a model blending intellectual sharpness with emotional balance and spiritual grounding. Long time ago, Baba had given an answer to what is the end goal of education. Not placement, not competition, not outward success. It is character. Here in Prashanthi Nilayam, the abode of peace, education is not only about the head, knowledge and inquiry. It is equally about the heart, empathy, humility, gratitude, and importantly, the hand, service, action, and responsibility. This triad of head, heart, and hand is the essence of holistic education. In a world that often values achievement over integrity, this university stands as a reminder that values are the foundation of true excellence. Today, the world is searching for education models that produce resilient leaders, ethical innovators, compassionate professionals, and citizens with an inner compass. Decades before the world saw this, Baba created it right here. He built a university that stands on three pillars: excellence, discipline, and service. This is not a college, it is a leadership crucible. Today, India stands on the threshold of a remarkable transformation. As India marches towards Vikasit Bharat 2047, we need institutions that can shape not only brilliant minds, but strong, stable, service-minded human beings. Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning is exactly such an institution. Its commitment to value-based learning, multidisciplinary education, holistic development, research with societal impact, and disciplined campus life aligns seamlessly with the vision of the National Education Policy 2020. It is not only an educational institution, it is an ethical benchmark for the entire nation. To the respected faculty here, the torch bearers of Baba's vision, your dedication perceives the divinity of this institution. You are not just teachers, you are guides, examples, and quiet sculptures of characters. To the parents, our first teachers, your trust in this university reflects your faith in Baba's values. Today's celebration belongs to you as much as it does to your children. You have not only raised scholars, you have raised good human beings. For that, the country is grateful to you. My dear young graduates, today you step into the world carrying something far greater than a degree. You carry the love and divine blessing of Bhagwan Baba, the truthfulness and thoughtfulness of Rayalaseema's character, the confidence of your teachers, and the hope of rising India. Wherever you go, love all, serve all, help ever, hurt never. Let this be our compass for our lives. Wherever lives take you, you will always remain ambassadors of Sai Baba and Prashanti Nilayam. The world needs strong, ethical, visionary Indians. We live in a time of rapid technology shifts, global uncertainty, climate challenges, employment disruptions, and cultural tensions. In such a time, the world needs Indians with moral courage, not just professional competence. We need youngsters who can say, I will not only succeed, I will serve. I will not only grow, I will uplift. I will not only achieve, I will do so with integrity. Let this be your contribution to our great motherland. Congratulations to every graduate of this sacred institution. Go forth, lead with courage, serve with compassion, build a stronger India, and I would earnestly request youngsters here to join politics and help us build a great nation together. Let me conclude with Baba's gentle assurance, one that every student of this university carries like a whisper in the soul. I am with you, in you, around you, guiding you. May His grace protect you. May your life reflect His ideals, and may you spread the spirit of Rayalaseema. My heartfelt congratulations to all of you. Thank you very much. Jai Sai Ram. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for those wonderful words and encouragement and advice to our graduates.